Stop choosing kitchen ranges based only on looks, because that's one of the biggest mistakes homeowners make during a remodel. Modern ranges are packed with flashy features like touchscreens, Wi-Fi, air fry modes, and premium finishes. But after a few months, many owners start dealing with uneven baking, burner issues, inaccurate temperatures, and expensive electronic repairs. The biggest myth is that a higher price means better reliability, but that's often not true. Many high-end models actually generate more complaints because they rely too heavily on complex electronics instead of durable engineering. In this video, we're going to break down the only 4 ranges in 2026 that come closest to zero complaints, and more importantly, why they stand out. Let's get started. Number 4. Whirlpool WFG505M0MS. This proves that you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to own a dependable kitchen range that handles everyday cooking without constant problems. The Whirlpool range is built around a concept many modern appliances have completely abandoned: simple, practical design. And in the appliance world, simpler usually means more reliable over the long term. Instead of stuffing the range with unnecessary smart technology, oversized touchscreens, and overly complicated electronics, Whirlpool kept the focus on core cooking performance. That matters because electronic control systems are now one of the biggest reasons modern ranges fail. The more advanced features you add, the more potential failure points you create. The cooktop itself delivers dependable day-to-day performance. The burners provide enough power for boiling water quickly, cooking large meals, and handling regular family use, while still offering respectable low-heat control for simmering soups, sauces, and delicate dishes without burning them. The oven performance is also impressive considering the price category. It heats consistently, maintains temperatures fairly well, and handles baking, roasting, and normal household cooking with fewer temperature fluctuations than many budget competitors. One of the biggest advantages of this model is long-term ownership costs. Whirlpool replacement parts are widely available, and most appliance repair technicians already know these systems extremely well. That usually means cheaper repairs, faster service, and less frustration if something eventually needs maintenance. Now, this is not a premium luxury range. You're not getting high-end finishes, advanced convection systems, or flashy smart features. But if your priority is reliability, simplicity, and fewer headaches over time, the Whirlpool remains one of the smartest, budget-friendly gas ranges you can buy today. Number 3. Café CHS950P2MS1. If you want a premium cooking experience without jumping into ultra-expensive professional brands, the Café range has become one of the strongest high-end ranges you can buy in 2026. What makes this model stand out is its combination of a responsive induction cooktop and a powerful true convection electric oven. The induction surface heats cookware incredibly fast, while also offering precise temperature control, making it ideal for everything from rapid boiling to delicate simmering. Meanwhile, the convection oven delivers even heat distribution for consistent baking, roasting, and multi-rack cooking performance. This balance of speed, precision, and reliability is exactly why so many serious home cooks prefer this setup. Beyond performance, Café also focuses heavily on design and usability. The controls feel modern and intuitive without becoming overly complicated, and the overall appearance gives the kitchen a much more premium look compared to many standard ranges. The large oven capacity is another major advantage, especially for holiday meals, large families, or anyone who frequently cooks multiple dishes at once. Of course, this is still a premium appliance, so the higher price tag may not fit every budget. Repairs can also become costly outside warranty coverage because of the advanced induction technology and electronic systems. However, compared to many luxury brands that often struggle with long-term reliability issues, Café has built a much stronger reputation for combining premium features, excellent cooking performance, and dependable ownership experience. For buyers who want high-end cooking performance without the constant headaches associated with ultra-luxury brands, this remains one of the smartest premium range choices available today. Number 2. GE Profile PHS930YPFS. Induction cooking has become one of the fastest-growing trends in modern kitchens, and it's easy to understand why. It delivers faster heating, better energy efficiency, more precise temperature control, and added safety compared to traditional electric or gas cooking. And among the many induction ranges available today, the GE Profile range continues to stand out as one of the most reliable and well-rounded options you can buy in 2026. One of the biggest advantages of this range is how incredibly responsive the cooktop feels during everyday cooking. Unlike standard electric ranges that stay hot long after you lower the temperature, induction reacts almost immediately. That instant response gives you far more control when simmering sauces, searing meat, or making delicate dishes that require precise heat adjustments. It creates a cooking experience that feels much closer to professional-level performance. The oven performance is also excellent. Its true convection system circulates heat evenly throughout the cavity, helping food bake and roast more consistently without hot spots. Whether you're cooking multiple trays of cookies or roasting large meals, the results are impressively even. Efficiency is another major reason owners praise this model. Since induction transfers heat directly into the cookware instead of heating the surrounding air, boil times are noticeably faster, and your kitchen stays cooler during long cooking sessions. The smooth glass surface is also much easier to wipe clean compared to traditional burner designs. Of course, induction does have a few downsides. You need compatible magnetic cookware, and repairs can sometimes be expensive because of the advanced electronics involved. Still, for people who want premium cooking performance with far fewer complaints than most competitors, the GE Profile range remains one of the best induction ranges available today. Number 1. Bosch 800 Series Slide-In Range. If you want the safest overall range in 2026, Bosch is one of the strongest choices available. The Bosch 800 series has developed a reputation for combining premium build quality, excellent cooking performance, and surprisingly strong reliability. That combination is rare in modern kitchen appliances. Most ranges are good at one thing but weak in another. Some offer powerful burners but poor ovens. Others bake well but suffer from electronic failures. The Bosch 800 series manages to avoid most of those compromises. The oven performance is one of its biggest strengths. Heat distribution is extremely consistent, which means better baking results, more even roasting, and fewer hot spots. This matters far more than most people realize because uneven temperatures are one of the biggest frustrations owners experience with cheaper ranges. The cooktop performance is also excellent. You get strong burner output for fast boiling while still maintaining precise, low-temperature simmer control for delicate cooking. Another major advantage is build quality. Bosch focuses heavily on engineering and long-term durability rather than stuffing the appliance with gimmicky features. That usually results in fewer repair issues over time. The controls also feel more refined and responsive than many competing brands. Now, there are still downsides. Repairs can be expensive if something major fails outside warranty coverage, and replacement parts are not always cheap. But overall, if you want the best balance of reliability, cooking performance, and premium quality, this is one of the safest range purchases in 2026. The truth about zero-complaint ranges. Here's something most buyers don't realize before purchasing a range. Modern appliances are packed with features designed to impress in a showroom. But many of those extras add complexity instead of real cooking value. Advanced touch panels, Wi-Fi connectivity, voice controls, and heavily computerized systems may sound convenient, yet every added electronic component creates another potential failure point over time. In many cases, simpler ranges with proven mechanical designs end up being far more dependable after years of daily use. What truly matters is consistent burner performance, accurate oven temperatures, even heat distribution, and easy maintenance. A range should help you cook reliably every single day, not become frustrating because of unnecessary technology that increases repair costs and long-term reliability problems. So after looking at reliability data, owner satisfaction, repair trends, and real-world cooking performance, these are the 4 ranges that stand above the rest in 2026. The Bosch 800 series is the best overall range for most people because it balances reliability, premium quality, and cooking performance extremely well. The GE Profile PHS930YPFS is the best induction range for buyers wanting speed, efficiency, and precision cooking. The Whirlpool WFG505M0MS is the most dependable budget gas range with a simple and proven design. And the Café CHS950P2MS1 delivers one of the best premium cooking experiences without the massive reliability headaches found in some luxury brands. At the end of the day, the best range isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that cooks consistently, survives for years, and doesn't turn dinner into a repair appointment. And in 2026, these four come closest to that ideal.